Hi guys, good morning. So today we'll be putting the lead back in the keel bilge area, and I'll show you what we did yesterday. Just finished off preparing all the paint, checking it's dry, nice and dry. So we'll start putting the lead back. We're trying to put a gasket on the bottom, and after we put the lead we'll paint it, so we'll seal it as well, and then we will close the top area so no water or dirt will go inside. So it came nice, paint worked. Saturday will come finish off the welding. We're welding on the starboard side, so then we can continue the port side. We're getting there. So I gathered all the lead we still have about 30 more pieces. So in total of the small ones we have 75 pieces, and the big ones we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and one more upstairs, 8. And then we've got these two big blocks that were there already. So I'm waiting for Ian to bring the gasket. Put a gasket on the bottom underneath to preserve the paint, and then we'll start.
من الجو أنا جاهز استويت فوق.
شبكة Here we are measuring all the lead and cutting it into small pieces to make it fit, to avoid having big spaces that we need to fill up later on. So after we fitted all the lead inside and packed it as much as we could, we started melting the small blocks in some spaces that still needed to fill up, and also we were going to fill up all the gaps between the lead to seal it off with the melted lead. And after this procedure we will be giving it a coat of epoxy to fill up the remaining slots that were not filled up completely with the lead. That way you will not have a problem like sometimes you have with water or anything going in between the steel and the lead. That's when the damage will start to occur. With this idea, you have a gasket between the steel and the lead, so that's protecting the paint, and also when you're filling all the gaps, if any water goes down on the lead, it won't seep inside, because as you know, lead does not stick to steel, so it doesn't matter if it's a block or something, there's always that small gap that you cannot fill up unless you pour some liquid in. So here you can see after melting this lead, it was sealed off as much as we could. So to make it more sealed, we will be pouring epoxy now, clear epoxy, and the mix for the clear epoxy was 5:1 with the hardener. This is the finished product after clear epoxy and after the low density filler.